Now, being in real estate for over 17 years, I have learned a ton and I'm learning new things every single day. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of those tips and tricks that I've learned and also that I've learned from other top producers to really help you move the needle and make the kind of money that you want to make in real estate. So let's dive into it. Now, there is no secret as a real estate agent. You need to know the market. You need to become that go-to agent in your market that people just reach out to come list their house or represent them on a purchase. And how you do that is really understanding the data. How many houses have sold in your market? How many houses are pending? What's the average price that's selling versus list price? There's a lot of data that's right at your fingertips because you're already paying for this data right now. So you can share that with the market. You can share that with your database. It's pretty much endless what you can do with market data reporting. So it really comes down to you being that trusted resource in real estate in your backyard so people reach out to you when they're looking to buy and sell. Now, this next one is all about prospecting. How many outbound phone calls are you making on a daily basis? Well, if you're not making any phone calls, then you're probably not selling a lot of real estate. Top producers do one thing every single day, no matter what. Outbound phone calls to their sphere of influence, to vendors, and also for sale by owners and expired listings. There are so many different ways for you to gather that information to be able to make those phone calls, like using a service like RedX where you can extract phone numbers from a specific neighborhood. You can also circle prospect once you have those phone numbers to share the good news of upcoming listings or open houses in your neighborhood. Now, another big one is hosting open houses, but doing it a little bit differently. And here's something that I learned from a mega producer that sells over 500 homes a year. Whenever he coaches his agents to do open houses, he'll do a flyer for the property, and on the backside, he'll do a list of available properties with their contact information on it. So whenever people are coming into open houses, instead of hounding them to sign in and get their information because they really don't want to give you their information, and then when you ask them, hey, do you have a real estate agent? What do they all say? They all say yes. That's an automated response. So for you to set yourself apart and be a little bit different is ask them probing questions. Try to build some rapport with them. Hand them a flyer about the property. Let them know that there's a list of available homes in the area. And if they want to go tour any of those properties, you're available to show them. And what that does, it'll actually pull active buyers out of the market that are not represented by real estate agents. So don't be that agent that's trying to get everybody to sign in, provide value, build rapport, and you'll close more business that way. And before we go any further, I want to introduce myself and welcome you to the channel. My name is Ian Flannigan. I'm a 17-year real estate pro. I help real estate agents grow their real estate business, build wealth, and create financial freedom. If that's something that resonates with you, consider subscribing to the channel. Now, we both know there is a ton of information on real estate, and there's actually a lot of people trying to sell you information on how you can list 20 houses this month or represent 100 buyer transactions. Listen, there are shiny objects everywhere. At the end of the day, it really comes down to how many people know you, like you, and trust you that will want to use you to help them buy or sell real estate. So that's the game. A lot of people who know who you are. So I would encourage you to always be open to learning more about real estate, attend trainings, go to live seminars, go to live webinars. There's a ton of information out there, including information on this channel to help you get to the goals that you seek in real estate. And now the big one here, the last one that I saved for you. All the top producers say one thing: they built their business by referral. Well, what does that mean? That means building a database of people that know who you are and dripping on that database. Following the 36 touch campaign, that's 3 touches a month. And the easy one is 1 email per month. It could be a newsletter. The second 2 touches could be a pop by to their house if you sold them a property. It could be a birthday card, a Christmas card, a Valentine's card, any type of gift. Can also be phone calls, text messages, any type of outbound reach on social media. Remember, the game here is staying engaged with a lot of people who know who you are. So don't overthink nurturing a database because it is the #1 resource for repeat and referral business. And if you've made it this far in the video and you found some value out of it, be sure to hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're looking for more ways to generate business and make more money, check out some of the training videos down in the description here. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video.